Okay, let's start.
Hello, welcome to another instalment of A New Book of Old Hymns. Today we've got Gaudete. Now this is a 4-part piece, so we've got 4 people to sing it, which is not the recommended way to do 4-part harmony. Usually you want to at least double up your parts. This is not a very polished recording. If you want polished versions of Gaudete, they abound on YouTube. You can watch, how about Prima Luce first, because their name means first light. Prima Luce are a group that sometimes appear around Sydney, and they've got this beautiful recording in St Mary's Cathedral crypt. Highly recommend that one. If you want something a bit jazzier, there's Steel Eye Span, has a very famous piece. You can see this live recording. It has a lot of nostalgia for some people, so Steel Eye Span is another option. If you're a fan of Libera and boy sopranos, Libera has also done a recording of Gaudete. Any other recordings? So many recordings out there. So
you can listen to all these recordings, or you can buy the book and sing it yourself and make your own one.
Yeah, it is totally possible for you to sing 4-part harmony yourself, and this is a great one to start on. The chorus is 4 parts, and it's really short, and then there's verses, and you can mix it up. You can sing all together. So you want to give us, in the book it starts on an A, but we're going to start on a G today because that's... Okay, all together just on the melody. Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus.
Melody?
Melody, okay. Just... How to install Gaudete in your family. Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete. Now, I think the next easiest part is the tenor line. Bernard, do you want to stand forward? So, to sing it as a tenor, you sing down the octave. Gaudete.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete.
Well done, Bernard. You can also sing it up the octave.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete.
Should we try that all together? Okay. So we'll sing the melody, you sing the tenor. Go. 1, 2, ready, go.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete.
Cool. And you see it already sounds pretty cool. Do you want to introduce the bass? The bass is great if you have someone whose voice has dropped. Yay! So it also starts on the same note, G. Which one's G? Oh. Okay, now you want to come a bit close to the microphone. Demonstrate the bass part.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete.
Well done. So we'll try that with the bass. So we've got 2 sopranos at the moment and 1 tenor. Go, 1, 2, ready, go.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete.
Okay, and the last bit is the alto part, which is the only part to start on a note other than G. This starts on a D. So, go. Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete. So all together. 1, 2, ready, go.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete.
I give you enough background? Okay, do you want to share out the verses between us? Or
verses too? Okay.
I don't think I can do a verse.
you don't think you can do a verse?
Probably do the show.
Gaudete,
Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete. Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus es natus, ex Maria Virgine, Gaudete.
Tempus adest gratiae, hoc quod optabamus, Carmina laetitiae, Devote redamus.
Gaudete, Gaudete. Gaudete, Christus est natus, ex Maria Virgine Gaudete. Deus homo factus est, Natura mirante, Mundus renovatus est, a Christo regnante.
1, 2.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus est natus, ex Maria Virgine Gaudete.
Ezechielis porta, Clausa pertransitur, Unde lux est orta, Salus invenitur.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus est natus, ex Maria Virgine Gaudete.
Ergo nostra conscio salat iam in lustro, Benedicat Domino, Salus Regi nostro.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus est natus, ex Maria Virgine Gaudete.
Then a quiet one.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus est natus, ex Maria Virgine Gaudete.
And a big one.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus est natus, ex Maria Virgine Gaudete. Well done.
Yeah, there's some info on Gaudete.
But we gave the input.
Do you think Gaudete is Gregorian chant?
Yes.
Why do you think it's Gregorian chant?
I don't know.
Okay. It's not Gregorian.
Not that way.
Oh, okay. It is in Latin, but it's not Gregorian chant. It's a medieval Christmas carol. So, should we sing Gaudete on Gaudete Sunday, the third Sunday of Advent?
I mean, I feel like you can sing anything on any Sunday, so does it really matter?
You can physically.
I'm sure you could sing it.
Christus est natus, though?
True.
Christ is born. So, usually we hold off on Gaudete, singing this particular Gaudete, until Christmas time. It's a Christmas carol, it's not really an Advent carol. Gaudete Sunday is rejoice in the Lord always, again I say rejoice, instead of rejoice, Christ is born, of the Virgin Mary rejoice. Okay? So, practice your Gaudete for Christmas and have a great season. God bless. Bye.
Maria Virgine Gaudete.
Ex Maria Virgine Gaudete.
Gaudete, Gaudete.
Am I doing this in a bit? Or?
Yeah, 10
Okay.
bits. So 3 parts now.
Right.
Go, 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah, I can edit it. Yep. Okay. But with this book, hang on, what am I trying to say? Okay, me and, do you want to do a verse?
Okay.
Okay, so we got 3 verses. You sure you want to do the first one? That's the one we keep singing. Tempus, adest, gratiae, quod, optabamus. No?
No.
Okay. Okay, so what did we get? I'll do the first one, then Bernard do 2, you do 3. Ezechielis, porta.
Which one's my one?
That's Deus, homo, factus,
Deus, homo, factus.
Natura, mirante, Mundus, renovatus est, a Christo regnante. Page 6. Gaudete, Gaudete.
What?
Or do you do 2 Gaudetes between each one, or just one?
I thought we were just doing one when that was the first was Gaudete and then there's the thing.
Okay, so we'll just do one more Gaudete and
We'll
into
splice
second
it.
verse? Yeah, we'll splice it. Go, 1, 2, ready, go.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus est natus, ex Maria Virgine Gaudete.
Gaudete, Gaudete, Christus est natus, ex Maria Virgine Gaudete. Should we do it in parts this time, not all the alto part?
Nah.
I mean, you do the... Okay, so we'll try one soft one again. Go, 1, 2, ready, go.
And don't start the celebrating too early.
Like most idiots.
Wow, yes, great.
I'm sure you can
Demographic now.
celebrate Advent, but you don't need to bring out the Christmas
Yeah,
tree.
well, we can
It's
cut that
fine.
part out.
It's fine.
Much editing. So much
do it.
editing.
Wait.
No, you're just creating more editing.
Well, it's alright if you can get a good take without any whatchamacallits.
Loves the editing. Everyone loves the singing. Okay, I don't know what's going on anymore.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. See you next week. Like and subscribe, and happy not quite Christmas. Or happy Christmas if you're watching this during Christmas. And go and watch some decent Gaudete recordings. Okay.
Shut it,
Self-deprecating. Bye.
Bye.